Hello friends, today we are going to learn addition, subtraction and scalar multiplication of matrices. Firstly, I'll tell you about addition. Matrices can be added or subtracted when they are comparable. By comparable matrices or matrix, we mean that rank of one matrix should be same as the rank of other matrix. If you see the rank of matrix A, then you can see its rank is 2 cross 2, and which is same as matrix B. So now how we add two matrices is by adding their corresponding elements. Like in first position of matrix A, at position A11, I have 6. Now it will be added to the element in matrix B at the same position, which is 1, which is here. Now 6 plus 1 will give me 7, which I have written here. Now at the position A12 in matrix A, I have 9, and in matrix B I have 3. Now adding 9 and 3 we get 12, so which I have written here. Again, in position A21 of matrix A I have 7, and in position of A21 of matrix B I have 7. 7 plus 7 will give me 14, which I have written here, and 8 plus 5 of matrix A and B at the positions of A22 will give me 13, which I have written here. Now moving forward to subtraction, which is nothing but taking the negative of elements within we have. Now see, I haven't changed the elements present in both the matrices. If you can see, like it's same as an addition. So now subtraction, what subtraction means is subtracting the corresponding values of both the matrices and placing it in a third matrix. Now since at in matrix A at position A11 I have 6, and in matrix B at position A11 I have 1. 6 minus 1 gives me 5, which I have written here. Now 9 minus 3 at positions A12 in both the matrices, A is equal to 6, which I have written here. Now 7 minus 7 is equal to 0, which I have written here, and 8 minus 5 is equal to 3, which I have written here. Now scalar multiplication. What scalar multiplication means? Firstly, you might be knowing what scalar is. Still, I'll repeat for those who don't know. Scalar is something that just has magnitude and it does not have any direction. Now scalar multiplication means multiplying a matrix by some scalar quantity. For example, we have a matrix here 1 3 7 5, and now if I will multiply it by some scalar number, say 7. This is our topic today. In this, a matrix is simply multiplied by a non-zero real number. It can be a decimal as well as a fraction. Multiplying a matrix with a scalar has no effect on its rank. Neither does the matrix require any comparison. It's a correction here, and it does, right? Like in addition and subtraction, as I have shown that matrices needed to be compared first. We had to check whether their ranks are same or not. Then only we could have proceeded with the operations. But in scalar multiplication, since we just have one matrix and we have to multiply it with a non-zero number, so it doesn't require any sort of comparison, because there is not anything that can be compared with. Now for example, say I have a scalar A of value 3 and matrix B 1 1 3 7 5, and I have to multiply A with B. What will follow is this scalar will be multiplied with each of the element present in matrix B. Like 3 firstly will be multiplied to 1, which will give 3. Then 3 will be multiplied with 3, which will give 9. Then 3 will be multiplied with 7, which will give 21, and 5 will be multiplied with 3, which will give us 15. That was all for today. My next video is going to be about matrix multiplication, so stay connected. Thank you so much.